Is JioPhone3. Well, this product is rumored to be happening this year, and we have with us all of its specifications and just basically everything. And now in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what are going to be the specifications, what is going to be the estimated pricing, which generation internet technology it's going to be supporting, from its battery life to every single thing. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing all of this thing. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's talk about its pricing. Well, the estimated pricing of this smartphone is expected to be 4,500 Indian rupees, and again on the launch date, whenever it's going to be launched, it is going to be rocking Android 8.1 Oreo. And let me talk about a little bit about its performance. It's going to be rocking quad-core 1.4 GHz nice processor with it. It's going to be from MediaTek, and it's going to be supporting 2 gigs of RAM. Well, again, for like a pricing of 4,500 Indian rupees, you hardly get a smartphone with like a 2 gigs of RAM. So you're getting it, so it's definitely appreciated. And again, it's coming from a company like Jio, so definitely they're going to be adding lots of new supports to this device. Now let's talk about its display. It's going to be a 5-inch display. Can you imagine, like a 5-inch display? That's going to be a massive display for the pricing you're paying. Again, just this specifications might not be a lot crazier for you guys, but definitely for a pricing below 5,000 rupees, it is appreciated, and all over India, it will definitely be a hit. And not just that, if you're getting a HD 294 pixels per inch ratio, which is again average, kind of average, not as great as IPS displays or any other OLED technology, but again you're getting that for this price is definitely appreciated. Then comes the camera. You're getting a 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front camera, and a standard flash unit. Well, this might not be a lot crazier, but I'm definitely excited that how it's going to be its photo quality. In 2019, if Jio is going to be coming with a 5 megapixel setup, it's going to be a little bit, it's going to be a little different, but definitely I would suggest that that will be a hit, because they really know how to handle the camera department. And just not just that, but it's going to be rocking 2800 mAh battery. That might not be incredible battery life, but I would suggest it is going to be a pretty average smartphone, but it's going to be a 5-inch display, so it definitely makes a lot of sense to for Jio to increase the battery life up to 3500 mAh. I think that's the sweet spot for Jio to optimize the battery life. But again, if their processing power or their battery efficiency processor or anything which they use, if it's going to be so much capable that it will handle the battery life pretty smoothly, then it definitely will give you around like 5 to 8 hours of on-time display. And just I would suggest like this smartphone definitely will come with the ability of 5G support. I don't know, but the 5G drains a lot of battery life, so I think that it's not going to be coming, but a few rumor predictions actually suggest that it's going to be coming with a 5G hardware built in. But for 5G you need extreme amount of battery life, and like for a 2800 mAh battery, 5G technology is not possible. Even Samsung's the latest smartphones which they ship for the 5G has significantly more battery life in mAh, and that also like a 600 to 700 mAh difference between the standard range and the 5G model. So definitely 2800 mAh is not at all sufficient for 5G abilities or 5G performance. So definitely it's not going to be supporting 5G, but it's going to be one of the perfect 4G smartphones to go for. And again, like if they're going to be giving you such a great package for 4,500 rupees, you take example from any other company, you can say like Eyeball, or you can say Nokia, or any other company. I don't think that you're going to be getting such a lot of things for the price you're paying. So guys, I final conclusion that whenever it's going to be coming, or just it's now, as if for now it's rumored, it's definitely going to be a lot hit. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment that how was this video, and like what are your thoughts about this product. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, peace.